Hey everyone, in Sam's Club, so the pineapple spears and the coconut gonna be $7. All the umbrellas right now, they're $109. They're 10 feet, 10 foot. Let's see, the anti-gravity chair is $59.98 now, so $60. Also comes in a lighter version, and this one, the steel table, is $75. It's gonna be in black. They do have a deck tiles. They are $25. Now the hanging like basket planner, they are $10 now, pretty much $9.91. Italian ice, we always see this one. It is $9.98 right now. And if you want M&Ms with peanut butter, they're $13.48. Which getting the jar is much cheaper now, you guys, even though the jar has gone up in price, because you know, like they do the half bags or smaller bags now, and even the half bags are like $8. Yeah, $13.48 here. So we have a lot of yellow signs in the men department. We have the woven attack shirt. This is by Eddie Bauer. Again, it looks like a fishing shirt to me. They remind me of like Columbia a little bit. Look at this blue color. And next to me, $12.98. The tech short. They also feel like waterproof, you know? $12.98. And the Gap Kids. Here's the Gap Kids. And you will get 2 shirts here. One for little girls. I like this green color. And the pull-on shorts are $8.98, so $9. Let's see, a 3-pack. This one is by Members Mark. Gonna be $10. I don't see, okay, maybe. I don't see much for little boys. I'm like, where's the little boys? The short is $5.98, and these are just like the cotton. They're calling them the cartwheel short, but $5.98 for 3, which is cheap. And leggings are $10 if you still want them to wear leggings. Nike shorts for toddlers, they are $10. And a Champion is $7.98. We have the Champion tops over here too, just like the girls, and they are both the same price, $5.98. White, red, you got your pink and your lime green. And swim suits. Okay, this is Ann Cole for $27. It's kind of a nice blue. We have like a floral one for $27. The tankini, that's not it. This is the Ann Cole tankini. I don't know, what do you call a tankini? Maybe this one? Yeah, it's like the top and the bottom behind it. 18. No, this is a tankini. Okay. Yep. And these are going to be $24. Then a few children swim suits by Hurley, $11.98. The little girl ones. And down here, these are $15. The fridge cooler, it is going to be $26.98. And look, you get the little handle. Electric beverage cooler. Okay, it's electric. You got the black and white and teal. Wow, they have this now. I never find the small one. I used to buy the small one in Target. Probiotic bites. But now I just give him kefir. That's $35. And nudge like jerky, these are $16.48. So we have the 2-pack iron skillet for $29.98, so $30. But they're not large. Okay, the lunch expandable bag is $20. So if you need something for work, or you know, you're taking a hike or something, you got a pack of lunch, it expands. And they have stuff for women too, $25. And you get the water bottle and containers, just like over here. You get the ice pack and everything. $14.98. It comes with a blanket and a neck rest. So if you're doing some traveling, this would be cute if you're going to Universal Studios or anything fun like that. They have Trolls 2, the Gabby's Dollhouse, is that the name of it? And these are $20. and they're like a little sleeper one. Okay, I found s'mores limited edition Bailey's. Get out of town. I don't know. How do you think that would taste? The s'mores?
You know what? It's kind of gimmicky, but I'd give it a try.
Yeah. Same with the strawberry and cream. People were putting Dr. Pepper with that. And towels. Sand resistant. So they're double-sided. One's for sand, one's for the sun. $12.98. I don't... What's the difference on the sun? Like not fading or something? Huh. Okay, we have seasoned ground beef patties by Members Mark. They are uncooked. It says they're going to be $40. That's a 10-pound. Down here, ground sirloin beef. I feel like I'm always saying it wrong or it's coming out wrong. $27, $26.98. It is going to be 85% lean. And Angus beef patties, that will be a 6-pound and it's 80% lean. $25.98. Down here. And $18.98. Quick and eat. So it's like quick, just they're fully cooked already. Ready in 2 minutes. 3-pound flame grilled Angus beef patties, $18.98. Did I say that already? Now these are going to be $22 off. We have 12 patties. You could cook them in the microwave, huh? Yeah, they're already cooked for you. Mozzarella, 5-pound, $13.98. I gotta lay off the mozzarella. I've been eating mozzarella sticks like every other day. Twice this week I had mozzarella sticks. I feel bloated. I'm like, oh, what's wrong with me? $5.58 here for Collie. That is a yellow tag, but you know, it's all good. It is all good. I just don't like the feel of bloat, but oh, it's so good, right? Okay, here, beef meatballs, 6-pound, $17.98. Okay, if you're needing Pampers, these are going to be $41.48. You get 174, $5 off. Whole cashews are $11.98, so they're going to be 12. These are $10.98. These are whole cashews with sea salt, so different. And whole cashews, lightly salted, $11.98. Okay, I want to come down this aisle before I head on out of here. $15.48 here. This location they have it separated. And a different one was like $28 for two that came together. But to get the shampoo conditioner separate, $15.48. This one is $25.98. Keep colored hair vibrant, up to 40 washes. Again, if you have colored hair, the trick, cold water. It's hard to get cold water right now because of the heat. And I feel like my water's not turning cold. $40, a limited time. What is that? Bay leaf, stimulating scalp serum, rosemary and peppermint oil. Really interesting. This is going to be new for $40. And this one is $19. I didn't know Dove had like 5-in-1 stuff for shampoo or conditioner, but it's $10 for shampoo and conditioner. Down here, the Tresemme Extra hairspray is $10.50, and of course you get two. The hair 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, this is $10.84. $12.98. And I don't see anything too new, just more of same yellow tag. Like this one, the rain bath is $15.98. Dove is still $11.98. So if you're still again in the market for soaps, I always say come to the Sam's. All right, you guys. And that is gonna do it. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.